Hello everyone, so today we're gonna fix this problem. As you see in the code, we have a box that doesn't have any padding as you see, and we have straight after it a text as a child, and also the text doesn't have any padding as you see here at the bottom. Here I commented my solution. We will get into it later. And as you see at the right, so we have a red background and there is a padding, even though I didn't mention it here, bro. Like there is no padding in those modifiers. So as you see, I've changed the text and the letters that are causing this problem are P, G, Y, and Q. These kind of letters have some extra space at the bottom. So I guess the developers of Google calculated that space and added it. So for me, in my case, I only want to use numbers and numbers don't have that extra space. So the solution is to draw that thing in a canvas. Also, I don't know why there is an extra space at the top. I don't know why. As you see here, I've never mentioned any padding as I said before, and I aligned my text at the bottom end. So technically it should be at the bottom end and there is no padding, but as you see, we have this kind of stupid error. So as you see, guys, this is the solution. Here I have given you a padding variable so you can change it. And as you see at the right, there is still a padding at the top. I don't know why, but we don't care. I just want the things to be aligned at the bottom end, and now they are aligned, and that's it. So here's the code. You can use it. I will share it with you. Also, there is a function called to-dp, which is this one. It is a composable one. It converts a flow to a DP. And that's it. If you use 0, it will be, as I said, line to the bottom end. And if you added some padding, it will add it. But the problem of the top padding, I don't know why it exists. Okay, I forgot to say one thing, that you should remove this background color red. This is the one that causing the background to be. You should remove it, and as you see here, so you should use this one, but just remove it. That's it, and thank you for watching. See you on the next problem.